Hello you beautiful people. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you'd like to see how I achieve this lovely, thick, luscious hair, please keep watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I know you don't know whether you'd like this video at this point in time because this is early on, but if you could hit that like button and then watch it, that would be great because the likes are really nice and it gives me a little boost. Begging for likes. What have I become? So I'm going to show you how Uniwigs helps me to achieve a thicker look of hair. Now my hair is super fine. If I put it into a pony, it's really thin. I've always had thin hair and it's kind of damaged as well because I bleach the living hell out of it. I always want it to look thicker. So I was really excited when Uniwigs said that they would send me something, and it's a hair topper. So I have opened it to have a peek, but I've not opened it yet. So I've been so excited to do this with, with you guys. So, oh, that's what it looks like. It's got a little, oh, okay. Oh, it's got little clips there as well. Do I have to attach those? Okay. Don't break it already, Rachel. Oh, it feels so soft. Do you think the colour matches it close? I think that's pretty darn close. Let's have a look. Oh, it's got a little bit of lace at the front as well. Okay. Also these... Okay, when I saw these I thought I had to attach them myself, but I don't because it comes with them, so... Right. Let's unpop them all. I'm just going to place it on and see. So this is the first time I've ever actually placed anything like this on my head. Wow, it's kind of done, guys. Oh, it's all gone wrong. It's all gone wrong. Send help. Okay, so don't do that. So I'm gonna make it match where my pattern is. Dusty tangle teaser. And this is real Remy human hair as well, so ethically sourced because I checked. I'm gonna put a centre part in my hair, so this will just go right on top of it. So I've placed it a little bit further back. The lace is poking out at the front, but I can trim that off later. I just kind of want to see what it looks like on. So I'm going to push down on the clips. First time, guys. I'm a hair topper virgin. Pop in my cherry with you right now. Oh wow, it feels really secure. Still got another clip somewhere. Oh, wow. That's incredibly easy. I'll show you the back. Kind of want to do a bit of head banging to see if it stays on. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so I actually love it. I found it really easy to put on. I was doubting my own skills, my own hairdressing skills then. I'm not a hairdresser. Yeah, it feels so soft and it's beautiful thick hair as well because mine's so fine. So there you go, you can see the difference here. But I think it's a little bit more yellower shade than my own hair, so I may try and actually like apply a silver shampoo to it and see how that looks. The roots are really good. That looks super, like it's just how my hair would grow. I think it's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to chop off the lace bit now. I hope I don't ruin it. At least we're doing it together, guys. I feel safer that you're with me. Just the detail on that is incredible. Just about trusted with scissors. Concentration phase. Okay, so I managed to cut it all off, okay? Now I'm gonna get my hair straighteners because it's kind of going in a whoosh. The idea is to make it all look flawless, so I'm gonna pop this back on and then put my straighteners on and style it. Wish me luck. Yeah, how quick and easy that is. Makes me think of getting like a full-on wig. Okay, so I've got my hair straighteners, which are some Remington ones. Do you think they're Remington? Yes, they are. My father-in-law bought me these about 10 years ago and I love them, still going strong. My father-in-law and Sue. Hi guys, if you're watching. give this a go. Curled really nicely. Ooh, yes. See, I'm picking up some of my hair while I'm doing the top layer of the topper as well. So you can, let me just point this out to you. This is my hair, and this is the topper, and that's some of my hair as well. You can really see the difference between my hair and the hair of the topper because mine is so fine and also a little bit lighter, but I'm picking up a little bit of my hair when I'm doing the curls, so it kind of looks all the same hair. Hairspray to finish it off. And there you have it. Voila! I'm made over with how my hair looks right now. Honestly, I have a fear of leaving these on. Terrible. Always turn off your straighteners, guys. It's comfortable. It curls really nice. I mean, I only put a little wave in it just so it didn't look so whooshy. Really, really pleased with how it's turned out. If you wanted to get this yourself, this is called a mono top and it's actually 5.5 inches. So that's the circle that the hair is attached to, lace base. And that's what sits on your head. Now there are different sizes, but this one fits my size head, so if you've got a similar size head to me, 5.5 should do you well. The length I went for was 16 inches. This colour is 10R Creamy Ice. I don't know, they call them interesting things. Creamy Ice. And I don't go in for any sort of sponsorships or what do you call it, where they give you money for if people order it, because that's not what I'm about. I'm not here to sell you a product, I'm just here to tell you what I think of it. But they did give me a code and it's Rachel 2020, so if you did want to buy it, that'll give you 15% off, guys. So that's pretty decent, because I tell you what, these wigs, they ain't cheap. Hair extensions, hair toppers, they don't come that cheap. So 15% off is fantastic. They sent it to me and it arrived really quite quickly, I'd say within about 5 days. Please check the shipping, you know, with Corona going on, who knows where we'll be in the next couple of weeks, so please check the website for their shipping details. And the name of this topper is the Claire, and that's with an I, Claire Remy Human Hair Topper. But they have lots on their website, and I'll put a link and all the details in the description below, as well as that Rachel 2020 code if you did want to buy something and get 15% off. It's so comfy. It feels like you've got, it's more comfier than those fascinator headbands that you wear at weddings. It's more comfier than that. It's maybe the same as one of the clip-in ones, because that's kind of what it's like, just a little clip-in hat sits on top. But let me show you close up the front so you can see my hair here, and the wig topper actually starts. Let me just lift up so you can see it there. Because that's what I would want to see if I was you guys. Full upfront honesty. I'll be posting some pictures on my Instagram. My Instagram is here if you want to come follow me, and if you wouldn't want to leave any questions below on the YouTube channel, then come over to Instagram and DM me, I'll answer everything. So yes guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you have, it means the world to me, and I'll see you next Sunday for another video. Bye. Oh wow, look, you can put it up into a ponytail as well. It's an amazing invention.